everyone.
Hello.
As we know, we have a contest today. My team is performing an act from the novel Escape from the Carnival of Horrors. And now I am the Brad, and she is Patty, and she is Madam Vito, and she is playing the character of Biggie Eye. Now,
I am
Patty. The role of the Biggie Eye is the owner of the carnival, and we, Brad and Patty, are friends. And Madam Vito works in the carnival as a bartender. Now, the next. Now let's start from a place where Brad and Patty are talking.
Please open the door. Excuse me. You do not do anything. Whoever is creating sound, stay silent.
What do you want to Brad?
I don't know, Patty. What do you want to do?
Not fair. I asked you first.
Okay, I think there's nothing left to do. I think I have to go home early.
No, but I know. What should we do?
What? Yanni?
We should go to the carnival.
No, we will get late. I have to go early.
No, please come.
Okay, probably we will not take more time to it.
Okay, let's go to the carnival.
Okay. And now the scene changes. We jump over the fences. Okay, now we don't have fences. We will jump over. Now we just step over the fence. And now we see the light is open. Open the gate. Okay. Start.
Why are you come here?
We will try and we will go.
Why are you coming?
No, we will go. Then we are just here to look for.
No, now you can't leave the carnival. There are so many games. You visit all the rides and at free of cost and before opening the carnival. Now you can't leave. And this is the map.
Okay.
If you have any question, you ask me first. Okay?
Okay, bye. Okay. Now the listen everyone. Now the sheet is shift to the place in the carnival where Patty and Brad are talking. This is the map. Okay, Patty, what do you want to do? We will go for the right and we will look for the midway.
We have to write the poster.
Okay, I think we will have to go to a midway and check all the things which are new here. Okay. Okay, now the scene shifts to a tent where the fortune teller, Madam Vino, is sitting. Okay, Patty, you will check all the things and I am going this tent.
Okay.
Welcome to this story. So I want to check your future. Give me your hand. So I want to see your future is very horror.
What kind of horror?
Let me check. Okay. I have four cards. It means heartless people, large eye, and bloody short and large. So I want to select. You choose two cards. If you have only two choice, red and blue.
Okay.
So you choose red and blue.
I will choose the red one.
Okay. You will choose the red one. They are all very horror future if you. So I give you some magical words. So I want to check. Okay, remember 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So what will you choose?
But I don't know what I will do with these numbers. Where I will use them in the carnival or somewhere else.
You visit in carnivals, first these numbers will decide what is your life in carnival. So you enjoy your life.
Second.
Now the thing changes to the when I came from the tent and I will look for betting. Then I will meet the guy again. To look for betting.
Carnival.
The tent is the carnival.
Don't talk, you will understand.
Betting where I am. Betting. Okay. You give us the map of the carnival?
Yes.
So I will visit the game. We have to go now.
Go. Now.
Done. That's all.
Seconds. That's all.
That's all.
Yes.
Because one member is not.
After it is not. Yes. Because one person can take the part of Nishana.
I can. Ma'am, I remove the one person.
Okay, from the
Correct,
second.
correct.
Yes,
And
because of
I am doing the thing which the third person have to do. And the two people have to do different things.
He is taking interest. Yes.
Everyone,
Hello.
we are from Team Reformers and we are going to play a skit which is from novel The Deep in the Jungle of Two, where me and Prachi is the jungle explorer. My name is Mike and Prachi is 11 and Naresh and Hemant is the
My name is Batman.
and Naresh is Demo. Shall we start?
Yes.
Now we are going in the jungle.
Silence.
Okay, Mike, let's we go to explore the zoo.
Okay, fine.
Fine, let's go. Let's find different things.
Okay, I'm running.
Mike, what is this? See that?
No, 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 no. You can't touch it.
But
It can be
why?
poisonous.
Okay, sorry. I don't want to touch anything.
Yeah. Find another things.
Okay, fine.
Oh, look here.
What is this?
They have footprints.
Just follow it.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. Who are you? I am Demodon.
Just leave it. Who is this?
I will kill you.
Please, please, please. Help, help, somebody help, help, help.
God help us.
Run, 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 11, run, 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 run. Let's-
Mike, do this. What is this?
We are safe now, we are safe now.
Okay, okay. What is this? What is this?
I think it is pyramid.
How does this look like?
It looks like pyramid. You can open it?
Yeah, of course.
Now we
Why
are
are you come inside? It's my kingdom.
So
sorry.
what happened?
No, no, no,
Okay,
no,
sorry.
sorry. No, no, no,
We
no, sorry,
don't
no.
have a mistake,
No,
sorry.
no any excuse. I will eat you. I will eat you.
Please leave us, please.
No, no, no any excuse. No any excuse. I will eat you. You are my dinner.
No, 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 no.
Please,
You are both my
please,
dinner.
also, please, leave us. Please leave us.
No, no, no. I will not eat you.
You leave
I
us if you
because you are
say anything.
because you are my dinner.
No, no, no.
I will eat you.
Please, please, please.
I will eat you.
Please leave us, please leave us. Whatever
God,
you do,
please leave us.
You can. I want to say that you Can you do someone for me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I want to get 1 pair gold.
Okay, but you have to help us because out of the cave, one monster is also waiting for us.
Okay.
You
I
fight
promise
for
you. Okay. I promise you that I will definitely help for you.
Okay, we will
But I want to get 1 pair gold.
Okay, we will also find you for.
Please come on.
Okay. Yeah.
Where is monster?
Where is that monster?
Demo and this is what demo. You have to find.
We find the gold.
Where is my gold?
You find.
Where are gold? I got it.
You find it, we have. You get it.
Where is my gold?
This is your gold.
Now Batman is coming in the human face because of the gold. That's it, and we give to you gold, so please tell
Help me to leave this jungle.
Okay. What do you want?
We
Is
want.
there any way to go outside safely?
Yes, it is a way from go here. This door will open after. Then you will speak 3 times. Jamana, Jamana, Jamana.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Jamana. Open the door, Jamana.
Please try 3 times again.
Jamura, please open the door. Hello.
How are you all?
Fine.
How are you feeling?
We are nice.
I am feeling good.
Okay.
So here we are at our novel. Our novel is about the night at Werewolf Woods. Werewolf Woods is a place where first I define the characters. In our novel there are so many characters, so we put two characters on each person. Okay, so he is Mr. Jordan. He is Mrs. Jordan, and also plays a role of Sharky. Sharky, you can understand in the novel. Okay, me as a Todd, who is the son of both the person.
Sir,
You can imagine.
Okay.
There are 4 parents. There are 4 parents, Mr. and Mrs. Morris, and 2 are, the name is not mentioned, but the son is nerd. Okay, the son is nerd, and they also plays a father and mother of nerd also, and also a Todd. You can imagine like that.
Okay.
He is Mrs. Jordan and Mrs. Morris, and also plays a role of Shark. Me as a Todd, he is Mr. Jordan. Okay, she is a nerd. Nerd is a boy, but we can imagine like she is a boy.
Okay.
She is
It's okay. She's
nerd.
actually a girl, so she is a boy. We have to imagine.
Yeah, nerd, and I am a Todd. Okay, you can understand. Now I can narrate the scenario. What is the scenario actually? The scenario is that nerd family and our family are friends, and we going to Werewolf for summer vacations, where we meet nerd family and the scenario is going on from there. In between, I narrate something you can understand from there. Okay, let's start. So, okay. You can imagine like this is the gate of Werewolf. Okay, Werewolf entrance is from there. That is the first cabin where we all have to stay. Okay, sorry. Okay. We all have to stay at that cabin. That was the cabin. Okay. The scenario is like this. You can understand from there. Okay. Let's start.
That we are,
Yes, mom.
you know, we invited Todd and his parents. So we are on summer vacation.
Okay. So what, ma'am? Mom.
Todd and his parents were already at Beerboard Woods
Enters.
and
That you see at cabin and see at cabin in this scroll.
Let's they just packed up and get I meet them at the ball.
You will be explaining otherwise. Please take care of your lines and dialects.
Okay, we are arrived at entrance gate of Beerwall and now we go through our cabin.
You see that at cabin and this scroll.
Mom, this?
Yes.
Yes, here is like today is a campfire so that every children can meet up at 8 p.m. This is what we said.
Todd, can you please bring your pistol box?
Sure, then.
Hello, Todd.
Yes.
You are follower for Todd.
Yeah.
Please give me the box.
Why?
Please give me the box.
Please give me my box. Why are you doing this? Please give me my box. Please give me my box.
Todd, why are you crying? Please don't cry. I bring it back.
Shall I come with you to bring the?
No. I bring it back alone. So you sit here and I bring it alone.
Now we come to the scene 2. The scene 2 is like that. There is a campfire, like you read in the scroll that the campfire at 8 p.m. The campfire is going on. Sharky explained about the beer balls, and Nerd also see what the Sharky said, and all the person like you also join us. Flash. This is the campfire. Okay.
You all know.
Please stand here.
When full moon comes behind clouds and clouds you will see clouds comes when full moon clouds behind clouds of will see their beings and by their see werewolf.
Sharky, can you show our Beerboard?
Yes, I see many times. And last time I saw that when a bride Todd red box.
When I'm buried.
What are you saying, Sagar? That's mean when full moon is coming,
Yes.
then behind the clouds, then werewolves are coming.
Yes.
Okay. Are you seeing purples?
Yes.
Where? When?
I see many times. I see many times. Last time I saw that when I saw when bear taught red box.
Oh, that's time you bear a red box. That's time you see a purples.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Come back. Now we have to go through the scene 3. In scene 3, nerd going to the forest for searching the nerd dot box, red box. Okay. Now the forest is around the nerd. There is a dark forest. In this, you can see what is going on. Let's see.